First thing to remove is the 17mm bolt. Use a breaker bar or a ratchet in removing it. The retractor is only held by one bolt. Other cars have 2 bolts on the retractor. Gently remove this cover by prying it on each side. These 2 tabs keeps the cover in place. Then, loosen and remove this 17mm bolt. So the seatbelt assembly is held only by 2 bolts. Next thing to remove is the upper pillar. Gently pull the door seals. Then, there will be 2 locks on this pillar. Just gently pull the pillar until it pops out. The upper part of the pillar is inserted here. The bottom part has a small metal clip. Here's the back side of the upper pillar. Same procedures will be done on the other side. This white plastic cover has 3 tabs. So, there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.